We're back and we're better than ever. In a new location and with a new recipe. People liked the last one so much that I went to the streets and I asked my friends, guys, what should I make? This is a suggestion by Grace. Today we're making buttered chicken. Here we go. Alrighty, let's go over these ingredients. We got heavy whipping cream. I can't even see if this is in shot. We have an onion. We got some olive oil, some garlic, some gourmet garden, what? Oh, it's ginger. And then we got spices. Just a lot of spices. Okay. We got chili powder. We got cumin. We got cayenne pepper. We got garam masala. We got pepper. We got tomato paste and sea salt and butter. Bam. Oh, can you? Yeah, of course you can see that. Why wouldn't you? And in the sink, we got some chicken that was defrosting. What do I do first? Okay. All right, instructions. Heat a large skillet or medium saucepan over medium-high heat. Add the oil, butter, and onions and cook onions down until lightly golden. About 3 more minutes, add ginger. Holy cow. And garlic and let it cook for 30 seconds, stirring it so it doesn't burn. What do I have? How much? Give me some instruction. 1 medium onion dice and onion. I love chicken water. Now that's one clean looking onion. Alrighty. Now we have to cut this bad boy, but we have to taste it. Should we use this thing or will that be boring? This thing will just do it because it's good. But I feel like that's kind of boring. Maybe I should. Yeah, we're gonna do it legit. We're not gonna use tools. We're not gonna use cookie cutter ways. We're gonna show off our knife skills. It's gonna be a spectacle. I'm gonna show off my knife cutting skills. We're gonna make sure that people can be proud of me and that type of stuff. How do you cut an onion? So I think when you cut an onion, you just cut off both ends. Right? Is that looking correct? I don't know. I'm also gonna cut off the bottom so that I have a flat surface to do this on. Then what I do, maybe I should do it the fancy way. Like that, and that. Shoot. It works, I promise. It's really cool when you actually, okay. Well, you know what I've always said about onion? It's kind of complicated because onions have layers. Now, if we just go down it like this. Oh. Right, that's not how that works. I'm an idiot. Right, okay, I see where I was absolutely wrong about what I just said. Well, kind of. Well, this cutting board isn't really big enough. You see, I'm gonna blame it on that. This is a medium onion. This is big. Oh, wait, no, it's supposed to look like this. And then I just, Right, this is a lot of onion. We need a bowl. Go back to when I made cereal. Yeah. This is gonna take ages. Literal ages. Is that cubing or is that dicing? Dicing is finally done. This is. Now that is some diced garlic. Onion, yeah, onion. Nice. All of this is edible. This is a mess. Yes, that's what we're talking about. Editor's note. Cut out the fact that I just used the make it easy cutter. And wow, look how good of a job we did. We didn't need that thing at all. It's like a good 20 minutes of making a mess of the table. Let's see what's next. Oh my gosh. We got garlic. Wait, what? We have garlic. Hey Liz! What is 1 clove of garlic equivalent? Thanks! Ah, I knew that. A heaping tablespoon. Okay, cool. Man, I should really do research before starting these. Either large skillet or medium saucepan. That looks medium. Over medium-high heat. Medium-high means 6. Oh, my eyes are burning. A large skillet, add the oil. How much oil do we need? 1 tablespoon. We should normalize recipes that just, tell you how much you need of something. Like along with the thing instead of it being, oh. We need a tablespoon of butter. That looks good. Alrighty, 1, 2, 3. Okay, be careful. Add the oil, butter, and onions, and cook onions until lightly golden. Okay. Is it too hot? I have no idea. I hope it isn't. Nice. We just leave this until golden brown? So I guess I just leave that for a bit, huh? Oh wow, it actually just says add all the spices. Hold up, go back down. We're gonna need a minute, because we have to get all these spices ready. We're not ready. The first thing we need to do is get this garlic. Well, that's unfortunate. 2 to 3. That's 2. There we go. That looks good. 1 teaspoon fresh ginger. So that's done. We can set that to the side. Garam masala, 1 tablespoon. Come on. 1. Wait, that's a tablespoon. So we need to do 2 more of these. Wow. Well, okay. Chili powder. Why are there no easy takeoff things on this? Really? Really don't want the kids getting into this one apparently. 1 teaspoon. Cumin. Come on! No one needs to know. Oh right, that's what that smells like. Okay. Salt. Tablespoon. That looks like a teaspoon. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. Why didn't we open these before? And there's a 1/4. And 1 cup heavy cream. Do we have a liquid measuring cup? 1 cup. Nice. Those brown? Yeah, those look brown. Well, that looks great. Okay. Get that it off. And the chicken. Really need this other one. 3? Or do I do the 4th one? It says medium. Sure. Well, go for it. Okay. What do we do? Okay, some spices. 5 to 6 minutes. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, what? This is... Hold up. What? Wait, was I supposed to cut it? Oh. You know what they say? No time like the present. Let's take a minute. Let's take a minute and think about our just choices in life. Dude, what do I even do here? Do I just cut it? Do I, It's almost like nothing happened. I can't tell if the chicken is cooked or not. Do I have the cream? I think I have the cream. I think that's the move. And let's simmer. That thing is screwed up, not my fault. Now I should make minute rice. Oh. 1, 2, 3. That's looking okay. That's looking okay. That's looking okay. I'm proud of that. I am okay with looking at this and saying that I made it. Wait, I need to let it boil for... Can I pay attention? This pan is so small. Oh wait, that could be 2. Is it 1 piece of naan bread per person? Or... I don't know. 3 and 4. I don't know what that was. I think we're ready to play. So, first, the rice. Rice base. Should have gone to the side, but hey, it happens. Ah, boy. Curry. It looks like curry. Nice. Alrighty. Cool. Those don't look horrible. Now time for the real test.
Oh, I can see you now.
Cool. I don't know if my thing is recording or not, but we can say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
This is Grace, and she's the one who recommended it. Are you ready to see this?
I'm excited, yes. Ooh! It looks good.
I'm glad you think that. What's the optimal first bite? What do I do?
What do you mean? Like, how do you eat it?
Yeah, like what's the optimal first bite? Like when you are thinking about this meal, what is the first thing that I should do? Should I just scoop it with the fork? Do I take a piece of naan bread and scoop it all up and try it all at once? I'm really
Did
hope.
you get that?
Nope. I have a piece of naan bread. I'm gonna like just sandwich it. Is that okay? Here's what we're gonna try. We're gonna try this. Okay? I'm just gonna pause it. Okay. Here's what we're trying. We're trying it like this. Okay?
Okay. Yep.
Mmm.
What do you think?
That's really good. Wow, poor connection again. That's okay. I didn't do bad.
I can't. It's poor connection again. I'm so sorry.
It's fine. I did really good. I did good.
Nice. So you like it? You think you'll make it again ever?
If you could see this video now, I'm gonna try and have it done by Wednesday.
Cool.
I forgot to cut the chicken before I put it in.
So what happened? Did you just like shoot it while I was in there?
I think you'll find my answers much better just watching it and letting yourself just laugh and enjoy all the screw-ups I made as we eat.
Okay. I'm
Alright,
excited.
cool. Thank you for the suggestion. Thank you guys for watching. This was torture.